Hi everybody, my name's Erica and welcome to Scam Hunters. So what is Scam Hunters? In this series, we'll be talking about the types of crypto scams or other financial scams out there, and we'll explain how and why they're a scam. We're also going to be discussing some companies or individuals that may seem a little suspicious. But let's be clear, we're not financial advisors, so anything we mention about individuals or companies are all alleged, okay? Okay, so an overarching thing of what you can expect from this series are things like coin scams, crypto scams, Forex platforms that are just a vacuum for your money, MLM schemes, pyramid schemes, even Telegram chats, and what I think is the scariest of them all, identity theft. Back in 2020, the founder of MYID, Mr. Han Kim, actually encountered a scam call from someone claiming to be the chief growth officer from Binance. This is an interesting case because it mixes both crypto exchange scam and identity theft. So this person was asking for 50,000 US dollars as a listing fee to join the exchange, which is pretty good to be honest in the crypto world, but it was too good to be true. So what Mr. Han Kim suggested was to start a video call because he thought this was the best way to catch the person in a lie. But it turns out that person used a deep fake video looking like Ted Lin, and the video quality itself was quite bad.
It's my player here too.
Okay, great.
Okay, do have a wonderful day ahead.
Yeah, you too. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Welcome, Ted Lin.
Hi, my pleasure to be here.
What do you guys think? Would you have been able to tell if this video call was a scam or was it legit? The point of this series is just to educate anyone who's interested and to spot the red flags in a company or individual, and basically just to be cautious about where you put your money in, because you never know. We may even invite some of you guys to come over to our series to share any experience you might have had involving scams. The point is just to educate each other and to learn from one another's mistakes and hopefully prevent it from happening again. What I hope to achieve from this series is a better understanding of what is a trustworthy coin or company that I'll put my money in, and what are the ones that I'll probably stay away from. Also, if you're just starting out in crypto and you want to learn more, you can head over to our other series, Crypto Virgin. I think that's pretty much it, so if you're interested, be sure to like and subscribe to keep up with our channel, and in the next episode, we'll be talking about the types of scams out there.